totally never dash it. But you want to come back, me back soon.
Hey, girlie, you never have to do nothing so wicked, man. You could have bust her ass, but you never have to ask the girl.
Let me tell you something. You see that girl Divine, I share the wicked one. I never tell you this before, no, because I didn't feel away. But remember, one time when she got tell my father, so I now go to school and I move out the place with only per man.
That half time dash out and you come in the yard.
Well, that same girl Divine start up a thing with my father right in front of my mother.
You too lie!
Every time she go up there, it's like she tell him what she do for help me. So my mother used to get things and money, but me never know.
What you said to me?
Divine just used to take the things and the money and cost me every day.
Then wait, how you find out?
And me find out, you know, my mother. She did suspect my father have a woman, but she couldn't believe it was Divine. One night she trained him go on hotel for retirement road.
Big 5.
No, the small one.
13.
Must have somebody do ever remember. Anyway, when she look, not Divine that she said about one blouse. This said blouse she buy and get to give me, you know.
No, but at the same time we used to get our money too.
You know, see why I did stop?
Yeah, but me a check say I told you and she couldn't agree.
Hey, Pearl, me just hear people say, you know.
Me right. So your mother say when she see them girlie?
Well, she called my father one side and she tell him how she shame him. Plus, you know, my mother's a quiet lady and she afraid of him like puss.
Yeah, you know, she was a quiet lady.
When my mother turned to Divine and tell her, say she let her down. And she recognized the blouse she have and tell her, say she want it.
Take it, yes.
Because she buy it for her daughter.
Take it.
My mother was so vexed that she tell her, say she want the blouse right now.
She should have cut it off her.
He said, my father turned for my mother and give her a piece of beating for retirement road.
Kiss me neck. How me never hear about this?
Him beat her till she's soft. And then him and Divine jumped in a taxi and left her same place. 6 months after that.
It's all right, girl. You don't have to tell me no more.
No, make her finish. It's a long time I want to talk. 6 months after that, Mama died. Them says heart attack. No, the beat the way they give her.
So wait, she tell you about the beating?
No, it's not she tell me. It's my auntie. Mama never want me at my father, so she never tell me anything. But through my auntie have to look after her. That is how I know. And even so, she never tell me till after Mama dead.
Why, it's rough, girlie, it's rough.
That's why I don't like my father, you know. That's why I don't like that girl Divine too. She try to pay me off. I can't just bite her.
Boy, girlie, me don't even know what to say.
You see, if no one then him come up here, it's like he wants to say something to me, you know. But I would never fart upon him. Sometimes I feel like I could have just dig out him eye. But I know with all and all I go and Mama they still love him, so I just move out. I want to tell you something to come like him did have him eye upon me. But him never know if I make him move.
That bitch. And him did look so quiet.
You know, so every now and then him come down, it's like he wants to say something to me. But I would have fart upon him. He said if him dead, I don't want nobody saying come call me, you know. If for me, for bury him junk and yam him.
Girlie, just rest them kind of argument, the man. Just rest them kind of argument.
Wait. The man not come in?
No.
So what chat about Narcos? Hey, wait. How she looks up? Like somebody kill her mama.
We will tell you about it later. Anyway, come back, we go back now. Go home. Go pack out the things out of the room and we can't leave and go to the airport.
So what? You're afraid of coming back now?
Yeah, man, she soon come.
So what I know?
What?
We can go thief a little piece there.
Hey, T, me not thief piece, you know.
So we call last night.
Well, T, girl didn't in the next room, so we couldn't make any noise. T, I'm nearly mad.
You nearly mad? I feel like my head was going to tear off.
No, man, too much nice tea, man. That's why I need to cover your mouth.
And you cover my nose too. Me have to breathe through me ears.
And then tea, me see your face just start get red.
You think my face alone did red? Hey, this is a lucky thing you did drink some too.
What?
Else they would have charged me for murder.
No man, like tea, you don't have to come good enough. Me say it's like I take a journey from Mobile to town. No, you see when I reach Mount Diablo, I think I don't, but I just a come. See, I draw second gear, and me think you burn out. But you see when me look, me see all my stuff home gear. And I say yes.
And the heavens declare. When I experience the bursting of the clouds. Hey, nobody get girl in on the no.
Most way you think now, next thing I want to share teeth piece.
Who that eh? They would have to put a gun on my head first. No man, he might push out the baby out of her belly. You jealous?
Oh, I'm not so not jealous of my friend that you know. Plus you want me have something to tell you.
Eh? What?
Why do you not even know if you tell you no star?
Tell me straight.
You want to see? Me I go back to my baby father, yeah.
Eh?
Me I go back to my baby father.
So
Why T, you know, him say want to start over again. And my baby father already here, so me just want to give him a chance.
So what happened between me and you?
Why T, me hear a story a while ago. Me know the two-man business again start, that done.
Done already? Then we not just start?
Well, no, we done.
Just so?
Yes, just so, T.
You're premature, bad. well, if I your baby father, your baby father.
Hey.
It is nice.
Laddie sweetie.
Come, you come. See your friend, come.
Yes.
Time for the airport. How the man not reach here yet, man? If I miss this flight, I won't be able to go until Sunday. Holiday come up, so I'm gonna miss the holiday sale. Should have never then travel my money, you know. This is little money when I have can pay to buy shoes in Miami. But what I write if this man don't come back with my money, would have to carry me go to Bellevue, you know.
Wow, yeah, I wait for somebody.
Yeah, I don't look nobody.
Star, you hear me? It's a reason my time man ask the item. Because you see if I jump to you and wait for them now, I'll come down and so today, you know.
What do you mean him now come?
You want to see the policeman, them hold him for possession of herb. And you see all of the money while he have in his pocket, the policeman, them take it.
Jesus Christ!
No, it's Charlie Pink, them call I.
What me I gonna do?
Then Star, you know, you man, they're supposed to couple little dollars just gone down the drain. You don't know if you get it back.
You know which part him leave?
No.
I want back my money, you know.
No, you'll get it back. So tell me something. You mean to tell me so you give the man the dollars before you get your money?
Yes.
Hey, you idiot. So you're broke.
Just have a little bit of money in my purse, you know, yeah.
Give me. Hey, girl, you say give me blur that money now. Where are you?
Hey, boy, you for keep me in there.
Hey, girl, come on. Apologize to the lady. No, apologize to me now. Where I go? Apologize. Hey, daughter, you apologize here, sir. Hey, let me understand. Hey, I don't want to see you come back down here. Yeah? Yeah? Hey, start. Where are you? Oh, yes. It's all right. You can't come back down, sir. Yeah, you can't come back down. What I think you can come.
Come on.
You all right? Come.
Where's that stand up?
You all right, girl?
Little belly.
Again? Boy, this a pity a tough no baby. Girlie, when it born, you have to go call it Shaka Zulu.
Hey, nobody fret about him, you know.
Come on, take this. You're too miserable. Take that.
So what happened now? We can't go again. We
No,
can't
no,
get you
no.
paid again. We can't get you paid again.
Son, no rotted, no.
Yo, more than 1,000 euros.
You risk your life and go fight the man with knife. No, you want to come there, my money, you're sorry for me. Not sorry for me. Oh.
But after you're not sorry for yourself, you're in a situation and me try to help you out. Oi. I know, give me a gear, you know, I'll lend you. So me want to back.
Where you go fight the man with knife?
Let me not fight your man with gun.
You come out again, why you do it?
That not done, I'm going to be fear about it. Oh, God, you didn't scratch your neck? Take off the chain.
Can't come off.
What's the
Say, can't come off, man.
Oh, you miserable, son, man? Your belly not hurt you?
Don't make me want to laugh.
Want the money, son?
Me will let you some too.
Why you get trouble, sir? Remember, you know, when it born, you know, Shaka Zulu. You trouble too much, man.
If it's a boy, I won't call it Shaka. Go and call him Tony.
But see, what you name your baby after me for?
After all, you know, Tony, you're not so bad.
You're not so bad yourself. When I get to know you,
You know me?
not really, slightly.
So wait, it's how your face gets so red.
If nobody say I drink up some of the hood root,
So wait, you did here?
then wait. If the two are not going like Tyson, I must see her.
So Steve, you're gonna make your first trip tomorrow, eh?
Yeah.
But I hope everything go alright, and I hope another Ayatollah will get.
How that?
Him is the wickedest custom officer out. If him ever same country, you might as well go a gun court.
No, you're wicked enough.
No, man, I tell you, if him ever sentence him, man, hey, you remember when you ready the last time?
When you bend them, kiss me
Give me
next.
last verse him.
Yeah.
Can tell you,
What?
ready go buy some belt.
Hey.
Him pay about 250 US fee. The custom officer charge him about 5,000 to clear the belt.
5.
Me say the boy I forgot for 2 doesn't sell it. Go back for 4 doesn't sell it. I saw him go till him get the rest. I know him have some left there. Up to now, the custom officer don't even budge.
I same heart.
Me I tell you, man, if you ever send that to you, might as well hang yourself.
Hey, girlie, you remember the last trip we did make?
What a piece of fight on the plane.
This minute, girlie, we saw my friends until me nearly keep you out myself.
Then broke flight on the plane.
Me say, Melody and Blossom put on a piece of fight on the plane. Me have to run to call the pilot.
Announcing the arrival of British Airways Flight 265 from London Gatwick. Announcing the arrival of Air Jamaica Flight 274 from Miami.
Hi, you know, so you're pushing me down.
Well, okay, sorry.
You can't take time.
Is that the lady?
No.
Ready in the wrong line.
What you mean? What you mean?
This line is for informal commercial importers.
English if you prefer. So if you're not one of we,
You're in the wrong
Hey,
line.
lady.
Aye, why you go on the phone line?
That line too long.
When we can't go on the phone line when I line long, you know, my belly hurt me and I want to go home. So excuse me.
Why mean you can't come turn up the comment? Turn up the comment,
I'm going to go to the other line, yeah.
good riddance.
Mr. Pearl, the lady in Miami, the lady fits when I tell her so the bar was me and luggage.
So wait for that to tell her?
And she go for something big about so.
Yes.
And say your hand luggage is not supposed to belong to them.
So wait, she take on serious.
Me tell her so my handbag bigger than that, much less my hand luggage.
Karate.
The woman now back I plane.
Yeah.
You know, so I'm bringing fridge on the plane for no luggage. Yeah, girlie. If you can hold, bring it, yes. The man job won't drop like when jackass one water.
Whoa! Hold this the girl in me soon come.
What you do? What you do? Where the left is up? What you do? Go sit down.
Yes, how are you so concerned about me?
What do you mean?
If you ever find out that me and you move so close, you must kill one away.
Which Tony that? You want to take where they gone from?
Aye! You're not done?
Why? No boss, no boss, no boss.
Hello?
No, but I'm not going.
Not yet. Yeah, huh? Me notice how you look at me from Miami now, me notice you pay nastiness in the head.
Don't like that, man. What if you're going to name the baby after me, I have to find out how my son do?
Come on, wait! Come on, put it to an eye, girl.
What happened? Not now, man.
I have to fret over this your picnic, you know, he likes so rough and him never born yet. Oh, I told him take so long for come, man.
You're supposed to soon come. You're tired?
Oh, no, really, no, but I just want to get over this thing and go home, man.
You're supposed to soon come, man. Relax yourself, man. Just relax, man. You're supposed to soon come.
It may take too long for come now, man. Sure. I hope another one that when me know, you know, it's on the backside in here today.
You don't think I am, I know you're right.
Better not here, man.
What happened? Oh! Jesus.
Girlie!
Oh, what?
We just talked to Pansy a while ago around the store, and she said she gets the police track Trevor last night.
You lie!
Oh, what happened?
She said she was sending up a shipment of cocaine, my dear.
Cocaine?
Yes, sir, that him a deal with now.
Is that him take my money?
happened. Pansy said the police raid them and Trevor draw gun and the police shoot him.
And him now no look with gun already, you know.
How come me do for deserve this?
All of my life savings gone.
How come, Pearl?
Well, me did lend him some money.
Oh, I see, Be careful, mind the baby, mind the baby, mind the baby, mind the baby.
Not take it too hard, girlie. I know you're going to miss him.
Him? You think them not gonna miss any money? Madam, been a ganja but cool.
Hey, hey! Let's go get Pinky this a mix up, yeah? Hey, hey!
Whoopie, where exactly you get the shot?
Pearl. Is what you're in trouble up to?
Me and him not up to nothing.
Me and Opie come down here and talk about him Igla woman them lend him money. Is what you're in trouble really up to?
I girl, you follow Opie, you know, see us Opie love chat already. No follow her, man.
Me know say your savings are well over 14,000 US, you know. And that you take in Trevor?
Girlie, where you come down here and question me for? Where you question me for, girlie? You're police? Hey, girlie, what kind of thing that? Where you doing, girlie? Come to you, man.
Why you do it, Pearl? Why you do it?
Girl, you want to know why me do it? But when you question me for it, you come question me like to me a little girl.
Why you do it, Pearl?
You really want to know why me do it? Trevor say I'm tired of you. Him say you're too ignorant and dark. Him say I'm tired of you. Him say he want to start life with me, cause me nice. Hey, girl, just easy, no, man. Girl, me and your friend. Just easy, girl. We are going so far, girlie. You know, say me never lucky with man, you know, me always a batter. Plus, girl, you never love Trevor, so we are going so far.
Pearl, was my only friend, you know.
Why dog blind tiger dead if me go back out on Porter?
Well, you better go turn it, you know, because the whole of your life savings burn up in the fire.
What you say, girls?
We're young and strong, we just start over our life again.
Well, if you not give up, me not give up neither. Cause you was after me. What you say, Pearl?
Me can't give up in a tea. At least you can't go back go town Porter.
Why you shut up your mouth? I say your face favor like when baggy crutches bend.
Jesus Christ, kiss me neck at the Ayatollah.
And that?
Yeah.
What me do for deserve this?
Go feel it, go feel it.
No, you go for your show over there, so go for your quick tea, go for your quick tea.
Come. I don't have all night, you know. But wait. Let me go for me knife, you open up them box there.
Yeah, man. And you go, I want PCR, you can go first.
Hey, T, they gotta carry this, they gotta carry that.
Get the barrel.
Cara, hello, my friend. Cara and the barrel too. This is yours. This is yours. Don't make this stay. Just tell him it's a field. You understand?
Well, I don't mind as long as this is all right.
Yeah, man, everything is.
May I tell you something? You are responsible for any luggage you carry. anything go wrong, is you going to prison. So I suggest you come with your right luggage.
No pay him no mind here. If him charge any extra duty, we will pay it. No, Mr. Custom Officer, sir. Everything we see, sir, personal belongings, sir. Personal.
What a way you know it? Come. Documents. Go on. Go on now. Informal commercial importers. Come for me, man. Hi. Move your hand a little faster with the barrel for me, sir.
I'm coming, sir, coming. Wait, what, you want me to get you on board, sir?
But wait. This how you get barrel inside there?
We carry it on.
That is why you get it on the plane.
We carry it on for our luggage.
Oh, wait. You know who in here, Jamaica?
Hi. You know me not fret about that, you know. We are special passenger. You know, see here, Jamaica keep big party for the other day. We are special passenger. So no matter come bust your board brain for this. Just do the work, make people get to go them there at 2 o'clock and be tired.
So me not tired too.
What you tired for though? All you know for do is harass people. And you is one custom officer who never get tired from harassing people. So I don't know where you're tired from.
You know why people afraid of you know? But make I tell you something. This is one custom officer. Not afraid of none of you know.
Then how who afraid of you? Do you want the people get to worry in your head?
Be yourself, no, man. With the pan, you up, you know, just be yourself, man.
Next thing you are going to carry Benz from the plane.
So what to that? I'm jealous, you're jealous too. You're not known. You feel you have a sea turtle.
I don't read them.
Mr. Reagan assistant. Member of the Jackson 5. Garbage off. See, help you, my brother. Help you.
I mean, you must like
But wait. It's how you get stove, washing machine, satellite dish, and fridge inside here.
Easily hand luggage.
That is how you carry it on the plane, man.
We carry it for women.
The barrel. Is the barrel, man. This barrel.
No, not for me, no. This for the lady. But you see, due to how she's slightly pregnant, I am assisting her out.
Wait. She pregnant? She fortunate?
Sit down and be yourself, man. You never talk. Just sit down.
I might draft the wig off and make to them again.
Documents, man. Come with the documents.
Give me that. Give me one of the documents. Give me document. Girl, give me a document.
Me not none tell him so them know me on the plane.
Well, this is for me and Pearl. She's a frequent flyer.
No. This have to change, man. Wrong address.
No, Colonel Charles Arcade. Right, same place they will live.
It burned down. Try again.
Which address, Biffy?
Tell him Franklin to Rima Joe, me again, Cemetery Dog Farm.
Franklin Town. Put on Franklin Town, Rima, and Dovecot.
Dovecot?
Yeah, right this.
Look, watch out. You must come with your right address. Cherry Garden or Beverly Hills.
What do you mean by that, sir?
Nobody don't live up there, sir.
You don't really take me for idiot, everybody knows, say, you don't own the whole of Cherry Garden and Beverly Hills.
No, sir.
But tell me something, It's what you don't really are doing at Cherry Garden, man. You don't just dirty up good people area. And you have the video and component set.
No, sir. Me still have my radio fusion.
You really take the feed, that thing?
Lord God Almighty. Hello! Thinking more, do you want me people to follow you?
Hey! You full of argument, tell me something. It's why you not got on DJ, girl. Because your mouth full of slackness.
Slackness, you know? I can try it off and show you where slackness there. The slackness under your wig.
My friend, up here no mind, huh? I same time she tired, she go on. All kind of fat come out her mouth.
Her mouth will get her into trouble, you know. Me say her mouth will get her into trouble. This affidavit.
You may have flash out where you have that flash up on the
What do you mean by that, sir? Maybe we can pay.
I don't doubt it, sweetheart.
So, both how much of this I do, you know? Both how much?
This minute. No, man. Are we not jigsaw?
$100,000.
100,000? You can't charge woman so much for that. That's too much, man.
That too much?
Of course.
You can't tell me how to do my job.
Yeah, right. Where we are going to get 100,000 from?
She not can sell one of the house, man.
Where you girl?
Sit down over there.
What?
Sit down over there. Let me sit down. Come on, let me sit down over there. The pride. Keep the pride. Keep the pride. Pride and joy. Pride and joy. Pride and joy. Pride and joy. Go on, let's sit down.